Okay, Rob. One more time. I got a video movie. Do your bell.
Okay.
That's good.
It's fun doing that. Hey, you want to read it out?
You mean tell me you're done already?
No, I just want to see it rain.
You want to see it rain?
Yeah. There's a striking hammer.
Look yonder, boys. I hope they don't see that.
I wish roller coasters down your hair was like
Have
that.
they seen that yet?
Yeah.
You know to ride your horse to church and tie them
Are you
up?
ready?
Yeah. I see it. Hey,
Oh, God.
there's a striking hammer.
Lord. This is a pretty neat Robert?
I'm going to give you the sermon that can't be beat.
Okay.
Well, this is time code for the rain, too. Somebody's looking out for us.
Open your hymn book to page 192.
That says we don't have any books.
The last time
Don't ring the bell while you're pulling the hammer. It's a fast bell.
Psalm 23.
Don't ring the bell while you're pulling the hammer. It's a fast way to crack the bell.
God.